I was renovating the living room when Baxter sat in a paint tray. Then he started wagging his tail, and I guess the rest is history. Anyway, we call this one the Wrath of Parvo.
And he did all of this with his tail.
The composition is perfect.
It's kind of smeary if you ask me. I mean, it's no Horsefant.
That one just confused me.
Left me cold.
Here's the man of the hour.
No.
What do you want?
I think he wants to shake a paw. Do you mind if I get a picture with the two artists?
I guess. I said, would you? Oh, you did not just do that. Hey!